These are the shops I used to come to when I was at school. This chippy here, known as Rusholme Chippy, was there on the opening day. Now, with the exception of students that stand out a lot, I'm the only British person. And it isn't just this little strip. All the surrounding streets and houses full. You've got your Somalians, Eritreans, you name it. You've got them, along with the ubiquitous Pakistanis and Bangladeshis. Oh, lady. We didn't ask for this. We were never asked if we wanted it. It's imposed upon us. This is it. This is what we got to thank our magnificent political class for. Wealth creators coming here to make us wealthy and to care for us when we're old, because they do care for us according to our political elite. You've got a lot of Kurds as well. They look nominally white, but you can, when you hear them jabbling away, sounds like some kind of Turkic Russo accent. It's quite shocking and totally unforgivable.